Yeah, today is Thursday, 2nd of October. October put me back into the Ram truck, swapped out. I'm up here at the farm. Seriously needs to be mowed. And because of my July health event and heart attack, I have not mowed this summer season at all. Here's what it is. Everything's just fine up here at the farm. This is a 16-foot high cube cargo trailer. I have not used it in probably 8 years. It's one of those things, if you got one, you never want to get rid of it. Because when you need it, you need it. It's paid for, paid cash for it. And it's probably worth $6,000 on the used market. It's got some upgrades on the inside. It's perfect condition. Needs a bath. Yeah, wife convinced me to go ahead and come up here today. We were late getting up here. It's a little past 5 o'clock right now, so I'm not going to get on a tractor and do any mowing. Maybe I'll come up a day next week or so. I don't know. I go in Monday for my first lidocaine injection in my lower back to deaden the nerves. They do that once, see if I feel any relief. Then they got to do it again about a month later, see if I feel any relief. And if that relieves my back pain, then Blue Cross Blue Shield will give the authorization for another injection or procedure that deadens the nerves for a year or two. But you have to do the lidocaine test first. I was looking for anything to give me some relief. I stayed home yesterday. It wasn't so much lifting the 40-pound bag of lime to put in the spreader as it was pushing the spreader in that real soft garden soil. That was kind of a chore, but it's done. I don't have to worry about it again. And so yesterday I was in pretty significant level of pain, and I did not want to take any pain pills, so I didn't. And which put me in my rocker recliner with a heating pad all day. Got up today, and I didn't sleep good last night, so today I got up and 10 o'clock I went back to bed and took a 3-hour nap. Me and Lily, the new kitten, she was happy. Yeah, I was about 90 degrees down here today, and the humidity's up. Still no chance of rain for at least 10 days. East Texas early fall weather. At the house, I'm getting some leaf drop. At the farm, no, and no color change yet. So, anyway, that'll be all for this one. Thank you.